Good morning.
Good morning.
All right, guys, today you're just gonna go along for the ride because I don't really know what we're doing today.
We're going to IHOP.
Daddy got a turkey today. Way early though. Rob took Aria hunting this morning. She slept the whole time when the bird came in, so he ended up taking the shot. And they left for breakfast a long time ago. So Emma and I are at the house. Got myself a cup of coffee. And the dogs need to burn some energy. So we're gonna hop on the Quiet Cat and let them run. Who else slurps their coffee? Because I do. Well, only when it's freshly made. It's like better when you slurp it. Maverick has never gone for a ride, have you? Mia has. There's Camo. Hi, Camo, you ready to go ride? I do have a correction collar on the big dogs because they tend to get somewhat distracted. So they just need a little reminder to stay by us. Come here. Come on, Mia. Let's go for the ride. Good girl, Camo. She's ready. Good girl. I put this basket in here and just zip tied it down. And that's her little spot. He's a good girl. Your bunny's good?
Mm-hmm.
You're good?
Mm-hmm.
Let me see the helmet. Good. All right. Let's do this.
I'm gonna be holding on to it.
Come. Good boy. Camel, come. Good boy. Stay. Good girl. Good dogs. Stays clear. Let's go. Good doggy dogs.
20 miles per hour!
Look who just got home. We just got our bike in the garage and Rob came pulling in. Nice bird.
My shoes are soaking wet.
Yeah, that's why I have rubber boots for you, but you don't know where you put them. Maverick's like, is it deep over there? Camel, is it deep? I'm just gonna reach for you.
He's swimming.
Oh, wow. Wow. I thought Maverick hated the water. I was back there cleaning his bird. Our herb garden is doing so good. Emma just watered it this morning. Even this one, it's doing good. I like your bucket that you put the turkey in.
These make a perfect fly down.
Did you get all your stuff from Dad's truck?
And Dad has a backpack and I got no clue where that is.
Okay, come in. We have schoolwork. For school, I see a dishwasher that needs to be emptied.
Okay.
Yabba-dub-dub. Yabba-dub-dub-dub.
I hate it.
I mean, this is like caked on. What kind of paint did he use?
He used the one that you used yesterday in the 3 cans.
Are you serious?
Yes.
No wonder it's so cakey. Next time, use the one I put in your, it's way more gentle on your face.
I told Dad, wait, let me use mine. No, it'll work better. I'm like,
Yeah, I'd say it works better. Can't get it off, it works so good.
America's favorite bubble bath.
I think
The world's worst.
Aria's favorite bubble bath.
The worst bubble bath because I hate bubble baths. No, you
Well,
said
you need a big bubble bath.
I know.
Are you starting a bath for your sister?
Yes.
Your fish, he says hello, good morning, feed me some more. Have you guys ever seen a guppy that big? Yeah, the tank needs to be cleaned pretty badly. We gotta clean this thing. Every single time you walk past him, he's like, hey, y'all gonna feed me? Oh my gosh, look at that tank. Girls, we need to clean this tank. This bucket's gonna be multi-purpose today, because all of a sudden, now we're gonna clean a fish tank.
The bubble bath.
I'd say that's bubbly.
Emma is going to finish the dishwasher for me. I will.
That was very nice. I'm gonna get this thing situated while you do that. Hey, what if we put the seashells that we got from the beach in there? Really, Aria Dawn?
You got it, Cat!
Oh my.
What are you doing?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Come on,
What are you
stop.
doing? Think fast.
Oh, sorry, Mia. Mia's like, what just happened? Sorry, little girl. Did I hit you? It's the size of you. Oh, you got it? You got your ball? Where's that ball? These poor fish.
Yeah, that could look a little better.
Listen, okay, it takes a process to do this. This thing is so heavy that I gotta take some water out. When we travel, I put these little tablets in there and it got the water all messed up. These things are so nasty. Oh. I just broke Squidward's head off. What the kids don't know won't hurt them, right? I mean, how can a tank get so nasty so fast? Look who showed up. Nice and squeaky clean. No more face paint.
Great pep talk.
Are you gonna do SpongeBob and Friends?
SpongeBob and his
And
wait, his house. This is SpongeBob.
I know, but we don't have room for his house, so he's just gonna be living in the castle.
Okay, I'll set him. I think if I can put him up right here.
Okay, I'm mowing down on peanut butter and a banana. So I have an idea. You wanna try and rearrange your room?
Yes! Yes! Oh no, shut. Rearranging the room! Oh, I can talk like Stitch too. Hello. Nice to meet you. Little punch buggle. Let's talk like Stitch. Little punch buggle.
Little punch box. Let's quick go look at your room and how we can rearrange it. Quick. Trying that bed to see how that one fits by the window. This is very last minute, you guys. I'm gonna have to move this one over there and then slide that one over. Thank God Robert just left for the day because we are leaving this house an absolute bomb. Come on, Arya. I totally forgot I have an appointment today. No, you guys have to stay. We're making a quick pit stop to get some fish so that our tank doesn't look as nasty again. Stuffed beef bone with peanut butter. Yes, please.
I'll show you other birds and animals. Turkeys. They're $51. No. Oh my gosh.
Oh, there's a frog.
Yeah, frog. Oh, black guppy. Frog, we want a frog. There's one in the rocks and one right there.
Oh my gosh, it's your lucky day.
We need it, please.
This is a big deal, you guys. They've been asking for frogs for a long time, but every single time we come, they haven't had frogs in the tank. So now, all of a sudden, we're coming for the plecos and they have frogs. So we're getting frogs too.
We have a bunch of things to do. We're sorting our rooms. We're cleaning our tank full of fish.
Look at this little guy. He's cute.
Oh.
Yep, that one. Wow, good.
You got that on camera, right?
Yes, I did.
It's usually not that easy.
Professional. Perfect. Okay, so we have 2 snails, 2 frogs, 1 guppy. Oh, and a pleco. And a partridge in a pear tree. Dog food for Mia. Blankets, because our couches are disgusting. And fish and dog stuff. Now off to the house we go.
I gotta use something to eat.
Yeah, we got the doggies and treats. Oh, boy. Come on. Oh, yeah, let's go put the fish in the tank. Oh. Put that one over there. Put that one right there. Good. While those fish get used to the water temperature, we are going to rearrange their room.
And one more surprise to make it fun.
Good doggies. Oh, you each got a treat. This there. Why is there a marshmallow poker in here?
Emma!
Okay, what do you think of this? And I don't even have to move the TV because you can see the TV both where you're at. That's not, that, Emma, that's her. And then I can hang your purses right here.
And then I can sit right here and watch the TV.
Where am I gonna put the fish tank? Okay, we just put everything in a different spot, but now Arya is requesting to put this bed over here and we measured it and it will fit because she wants more playroom. So if it doesn't work, this is how they're gonna have it. Okay, this is a hot mess we got going on behind me. Strip the beds. We still have all this to put away. Right?
Yeah.
But now this is forcing me to actually do laundry because I've had the same load in the dryer now, and I don't want to admit for how long, but it has seen the wrinkle control setting more than 3 times. So now I actually have to take it out and put it away. Okay, let's be real. I just pulled them out, straightened them out, and laid them down. At least now they're not getting wrinkled, but I'm gonna have to come back to that because I got way too much going on in the kids' room.
Do you like apples? Oh, Mia, Maverick likes apples. Wow.
Guess what else he likes?
What?
Strawberries.
You like strawberries?
I gave him one.
Oh, what a healthy boy. See, I ran today, now I'm eating some apples. Yum, 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 yum. Mia, you just are too picky. You're just a too picky girl. Good boy.
We have Helix sleep mattresses and the kids have them, but there's different settings. There's 3 to 7 and there's 8 to 12. So I feel like 8 to 12 might be a little bit more soft. Oh well.
No, wait, you're literally just flipped it back to 7.
No, it's 8 to 12.
Hmm.
Oh. Come on, try it. It's such a difference. I mean, it went from firm to mushy. Ooh. Now I might have to steal your bed.
No!
Oh man, I only have 1 more gallon. Instacart. I'm gonna be ordering. Oh, why did I put this much water? I can't lift all this to the room. It's way too heavy. I need Dad to help. Okay. All right, come on.
Same time.
Emma, they're stuck to the bag. Oh, no, don't squeeze.
Are they in?
Oh, the other frog's right here. Up in the,
Where?
right there.
Oh, let's get him.
There he is. He's like, ooh, where am I?
I like it. I like it.
I can lift it. It's a matter of if I spill it all over or not.
Tough moms.
Oh my gosh. Think. Give me your chair and the wheelie chair.
Yes!
Think smarter, not harder. All right. It's 6:22. We're doing good. Got a lot accomplished today. All because of a fish tank. Check it out. Looks great. The only downfall is that their mural that my sister painted is covered up, but you can still see the deer head. Instacart is here.
Yay! Okay, on the track. I landed on
Perfect. Oh, it looks so good. That's one. Come look at their room.
What do you change?
Yeah.
That's the biggest crazy thing in the world right there that you...
So much.
We have 2 little frogs!
2 little what?
Frogs! See the other right there?
I see him.
That's a froggy. Oh, and Dad, we got another one of those.
Yeah.
And a white guppy.
Trying to
Could you not see him right there?
I couldn't till he was like right here.
That's a long beard.
Yeah, that's a big one.
All right, you guys are seeing firsthand what an easy dinner looks like. Fried chicken.
Where do you make that?
A homemade recipe.
Unbelievable.
Just don't look at the box. You don't even understand what the house looked like when you were gone.
Yeah.
He's going to after watching this video though. 7:45, the kids need to go to bed, which means they need a fresh bed to sleep in, and it's not even in the dryer yet. So I gotta go finish all that, and I gotta put my other clothes away. What else do I gotta do? I got a lot to do yet. But thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, and DeerMom hit 100,000. How did I forget that all day? I forgot that all day. So thank you guys for the support. I totally forgot that, I spaced. We love you, we appreciate you, and we got a lot of exciting things coming up. So stay tuned. Take care, God bless, and we are gone.